In this module, we're going to have a look at what I call the have past in Spanish. Now, we use the word have to talk about the past a lot in English. For example, I have bought it, I have washed it, I have seen it, I have eaten it, I have done it, and so forth. And of course, these ones can always be reduced like with our apostrophe too. So we have I've bought it, I've washed it, and so forth. Now we can do this same thing in Spanish as well. So let's go to a live demo and I'll show you how it works. Looking at our first example here, we have I have bought it. So let's go down a line and let's make this blue. So we have the verb comprar, to buy. Now what happens is this with AR verbs for bought, in the past, this becomes comprado, this ado ending. And notice that I changed again, just manipulating and playing around with this AR ending. So comprar would go to comprado, and this means bought in the past. And then the I have is very easy. It just becomes like this. So I have bought, just that would be comprado. Now the it comes all the way up front, up here. So it'll be lo he comprado. Literally, it I have bought. Let's look at another example. We have here, I have washed it. So again, the verb to wash is lavar, and this AR ending goes to ado, that sound, ado. So we have lavado would be washed. In the past now, washed. And again, the I have becomes So lavado would be I have washed, and then the it comes all the way up front. So lo he lavado, I have washed it. In the third example, we have I have eaten it. Now the verb to eat is comer, as we know. We have an ER ending here now, so we have to change slightly. This goes to ido. The sound is ido, like this. So we have comido would be eaten, comido. And again, we have I have with he comido is I have eaten, and the it goes way up front. So lo he comido, I have eaten it. The next one is I have given it. The verb to give is dar. And again, this AR goes to ado, that sound. So you have dado would be given, dado. We have I have with and then the it way up front. So lo he dado is I have given it. Then in our final example for now, we have I've gone out. Notice here we shortened it to simply I've. So the verb to go out is salir. And we see here we have an IR verb. So it goes to the ido sound. So we have salido for gone out, salido. And then the I've or the I have is simply So we have salido, I've gone out. Let's summarize what information we have so far. If we're dealing with an AR verb like comprar, then the sound goes to ado. We have this AR ending going to ado. So it would be comprado for bought. Let's choose another AR verb like caminar. So again, this AR changes to ado, and we get caminado, so that would mean walked. So those are for AR verbs. Now, if it is not an AR verb, for example, salir or comer, doesn't matter, can be either an IR or an ER verb. Then the sound in both cases goes to ido. So we have, salido and comido. So you only have two key sounds to worry about. It's either going to go to ado or it's going to go to ido. ado and ido. Those are the two key sounds for the have past in Spanish. Then we have the I have part, which is simply he. So let's take our example here of comido. So he comido, I've eaten, or I have eaten. And if you want to throw the it somewhere, it comes up here. So those are kind of like the three parts. We have either an ado or ido sound. We have the e for I have, and the lo being placed right up front here. That's as much information as I would like you to take away from this video for now.